Welcome students. Welcome to Topper Classes, your friendly mentor in studies.
Today, I am going to introduce a brand new website. If you are preparing for JEE exams or if you are preparing for the NEET exams, then this website is going to be very much helpful for you. The website is www.topperclasses.infiprep.com. I have given the link in description also. You can check it there or it is scrolling down below. From there also you can see the link. Now come to the benefit of this website. This is having total 65 brand new books. Can you believe it? Total 65 books, and these books are from the well-known publishers of India. You name the publisher and it's here, like MTG Publication, Universal Book Depot, Disha Book Depot, RD Sharma. So you name the publication and it's present here. Now let us see the books one by one. Suppose you want to see the books of Disha Publication. Just type Disha Publication in the search and put enter. So here you are having the total 101 speed test, that is total 101 test you can give for JEE. Like this, here you are having the objective NCERT extract, physics, chemistry and mathematics, all the syllabus. Not only this, student, you are going to get the DPPs also, daily practice papers. This is the key for the success. Many students, they used to solve the MCQs on daily basis. So here we are having DPPs from the universal book. So wherever you click it, suppose I click on this book NCERT, it will open, and then it is having test for mathematics and all the subject. So suppose you want to give the test for slope line, parallel line and perpendicular. Click on the particular, the link will come here. So you can click on the revise, practice and test. I will explain all this. So in the revise, again there are flashcards. Some books are having flashcard, some books are not having the flashcard. So it will be reflected here. Flashcards you can add it on your own also. Now once you come to practice, it will be a smart practice as well as practice as per the books. So here you will find all the questions present in the printed book, same here in the same order. Believe me, the order is also not changed, and if you practice smartly, then you will get the question in a random order. So here I am getting the question in the random order. So whatever answer we know, we can give the answer. Immediately we can check the answer whether it is correct or incorrect. Suppose the answer is incorrect, then we are getting the correct answer. Further, it gives us a reference where I can get the correct answer. So this I can get it in the MCQ third question. There it is, find in the book. So I will get the answer there also. Now, if this question is difficult to me, I can add it to the flashcard. The question now get added to the flashcard, and that way I can see the flashcards. Now this question we have added to the flashcard. So see the message here, flashcard created. Now suppose I will click on the finish, and then immediately I will get the result also. It will show very deep analysis how much second we have taken, and how many correct answers we have given. Now let's go to the flashcard section where we have added this flashcard. Okay, so in this revise mode, the flashcards are present there, and one flashcard we have added. So this flashcard is reflecting here. Once we are clear with this flashcard, then we can delete it also. We can delete the flashcard and the flashcard gets deleted. So whatever concepts we see important, or whatever concepts are difficult to remember, that we can save it as a flashcard. Then here, suppose I select the chapter trigonometric ratios and I want to go for a test. Now I can prepare a test, and this test is having same interface like the JEE entrance, as you are going to give it on the final exam. So same interface we are having here. We can start the test. Once the test is started, you can see here total 30 questions are present, and the timer is running here 30 minutes. Out of that, say 29th minute is remaining there. First minute we are going to end. Total 29 minutes are remaining. Now questions are here. Whatever questions we have answered, they will become yellow in color. Whatever questions we have not answered, they will be white in color. Then whatever questions we have marked for a review, we can mark some questions for review also. Suppose this is the fifth question and I want to mark it for review. I will mark it for review and a circular dot will come there. So this way we can attempt all the test. Believe me students, here we can give unlimited test, unlimited questions and unlimited test. There is no limit for attempting the test, only your hard work is required. Now once we finish the test, we are getting the result. So how many correct questions, how many incorrect questions, how many partially correct answer questions and not answered. So this is just for demonstration. So you might be saying that no question is correct, but I know you are a brilliant students. You can go through and you can solve these questions. Suppose I click on the review, then here I am getting all the questions and their correct answers. Second question I have not attempted. So the question is present here and I am getting their answers. Click on any question, we will get the question and we will get its correct question, correct answer. This is the view all questions. So all questions will be here. We can see the question and we can see their correct option also. Now, so this is all regarding the DPPs. We are having daily practice papers, and these daily practice papers are very useful. They are very much useful. Now next, I am going to show you how we can see the theory part. So here we are having books like MTG Rapid Chemistry. Further, we are having the books like RD Sharma. There we can clear all our theory concepts. Suppose I want to study the theory of electrochemistry. So just click on electrochemistry, click here. We will get the entire theory, all the notes required to study the electrochemistry at JEE level. Here we are getting the questions which are useful for the JEE level. Now this we can make it full size. Further we can make it small. अगर आपको पूरा पेज एक साथ देखना है, we can make it small, or we can zoom it also, so that the fonts are bigger and we can read it clearly. This is the Atori size. Atori size, we can have a good quality of the font, and it is having total 9 pages of the theory. Now this is the summary, and the chapter is nicely covered in this theory part. That's all the pages are there. Everything we require for the study has been mapped here. Believe me, students, these books are very much important, and all these books, they are present as ebooks. These books, you can use it not only on your PC, but you can use it on your Android also. And with a single key purchase, you can use it on two devices. One your Windows device, another your Android device. Further, if you are having any Apple device, then you can use it on the Apple also by using the browser board. In the Apple also, all these websites will run. So this is a very much user friendly book. All the new additions are present here. So this is the Universal Chemistry IIT JEE 2021 Volume 1. Volume 1 is mostly related to the physical chemistry and inorganic chemistry. So this we can use it to revise our concepts. All the theory parts they have given in a perfectly lucid and student friendly language. And here you can make your own notes. After that you can go and solve the MCQs. If you have any doubt, you can free to contact me on my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is given in the description box. Further, it is scrolling below. So student, this is going to be very helpful for your JEE as well as NEET preparation. Now today I am going to give a super discount on that. So as to know more about the discount scheme, just send me a SMS on my WhatsApp number, and then you will come to know about the schemes, price of this. Actually, this is a very user friendly and very pocket friendly. Suppose even if you don't get the discount, you will be able to purchase it just at a price of 2500 rupees. A single book is costing more than 600-700 rupees. You can check the price on various e-commerce website. These books are available here, and I am offering you all the 66 books, and they are having total 2,08,000 MCQs for practice. And these MCQs you can practice limitlessly. You can practice as much as you want and whenever you want, wherever you want, because this is available as an application, as an app in your Android device. Further, it's available on the Windows as well as Apple devices. So this is a very good website, students. Take benefit of it. Now if you just want to log in into the website, I will show you how to do it. Go to the web browser, whatever browser you are having. In this web browser, just type www.topperclasses.com /login and log in by using your Gmail. Once you log in, you will be able to see all the books there. If you are interested, you just send me a hi message on WhatsApp. I will explain you how to purchase the books, and you will get the decent discount also. I guess you will take benefit of the scheme, and share this video if you like, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned as shortly we are bringing very much informative videos for the JEE as well as NEET courses. So here if you see the JEE pass or NEET pass, it is costing near about 3,999 rupees, but already I am offering it is at discounted price, that is 2,500. Further, you can get more discount just by sending a hi message on my WhatsApp. Okay students, wish you all the best. Thanks for watching the video. Share this video to your friends and family members so that they can also get benefit. Thank you.